Unit 6. Money. Track 39.
In difficult economic times, what would you suggest are attractive areas for investment?
There are a number of attractive areas, and I think I've touched on one earlier with the bond investments, but perhaps I'll develop that a little bit further. A lot depends really on where we are within that economic cycle. If we are at the very bottom of an economic cycle, then the best form of recovery is probably going to be in companies who are going to recover as the economy recovers. So when prices are very low, you could invest in an equity of a company where you saw they would benefit from that reduction in interest rates that you've seen. If it's in the early stages of an economic depression or recession, shall we call it, then with interest rates likely to be cut aggressively, then obviously the fixed income area of the market is perhaps the most appropriate place to be. Another area which I think has traditionally been a very safe haven has been gold. And I think over the last 15 years or so, gold has been through a number of different cycles, and in particular, I think as a recovery play, it will always be perceived as a store of value. At the same time as the emerging markets keep continuing to grow, there's a lot of interest and appetite for people to invest in gold in terms of their jewellery, as well as wishing to own that asset. So I think gold, fixed income securities, and early cycle equities would be my answer.